we are expected to have a massive geomagnetic storm hitting us, a strong G3 geomagnetic storm. But of course, there has been a wild amount of solar activity and so many solar flares, a bunch of solar flares, CMEs that are probably going to be impacting the Earth, and we might be having a G4 geomagnetic storm. There's a lot of things going on right now, a lot of data to get into. So by all means, welcome on everyone. Joe Sky here. Let's get right into this. So the M8.1, that's pretty powerful. And this came from Sunspot Region 4299. Really powerful, strong solar flare. And we had Type 2 and Type 4 radio emissions. Well, believe it or not, Tuesday, December 9, here we are. We also have a type radio emission, a pretty strong one. So, by all means, of course, this was a CME that happened, impacted Earth. As I'm recording this right now in the very early hours, don't seem to be having anything. So maybe when you watch this, everything will be getting crazy. I'll keep you guys updated with real-time activity. But we do have a big corona hole in the next 24 to 48 hours that's going to be facing us. Of course, we have all these sunspots, and we've had so many solar flares. So if you just look at what we've had in 72 hours, an M8, an M1, we got to knock this down actually. It's actually insane. A 3.2, I think it was, a 2.4, an X 1.14, which is a 24 and 72 hour max. Of course, a 1.8 after that, another one, and another 3. So it's been insane. And that was a pretty lengthy flare right there, right? So there's been so much activity, and the X class, I thought it was 4299. It was it was a 4298. That had a 1% chance of happening, and pretty insane actually did happen here. So the 4298 all the way in the bottom right. So pretty crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like we have 4303. All right, so that one's starting to get a little active now. So a lot of these sunspots are going crazy, you know. We're getting hit by every single sunspot. Very active, very wild, if you ask me. We're gonna have to see what kind of geomagnetic storm we get into. Probably a 3, maybe a 4 as you're watching this, just because how crazy things are. Corona hole on the top left, as you can see. We're gonna have to see what happens, but things are definitely intense, you know. These are all the solar flares we've been having, quite a lot in just 24 hours. I mean, this many flares is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 solar flares that are pretty fair in strength in 24 hours. Insane. So then, of course, let's take a look at this radio emission. So it looks like it's by United States here. So definitely got something going on. We have a type 2 radio emission and a type, I'm guessing it's a 4 radio emission, all beginning on December 9, Tuesday. So it's a radio blackout. I'm expecting a lot of technological glitches and issues. So definitely a lot going on here. Now, I didn't think we'd be getting more earthquake activity, but here we go. A 7.6 in Japan and a 6.6 following that. That's insane. Actually, I think the 6.6 happened before. I think. Because no, it was after. It was after. 09 UTC time to 16. So the 6.6 was after. Insane. Just let me tell you right now, that's powerful. 7.6 is insane. Earthquake. A 7.6 and a 6.6, 5.8. Bunch of aftershocks. Japan's definitely been getting hit. There's definitely been some earthquakes here, massive ones though, and there's of course been a tsunami warning there. The newest ones are interest Kansas. What? America. Okay, we're getting some in America now. Interesting. A 3.7. Okay, very interesting. And you guys know over here, if you didn't know, about 150 earthquakes. Pretty insane right near Alaska. So, yeah, definitely a lot of activity. Schumann activity. Let's pull this sucker up. There hasn't been too much going on with the Italian Schumann Resonance. Not much currently going with magnetic spirit, but that will be changing. I would make an assumption it's going to change in the next 24 to 72 hours. And of course, not only do we have, of course, yeah, we don't have much going on with the Schumann Resonance other than just some integration energy, but that could change in the next 24 to 48, 72 hours. Even later this week, I'd be shocked to not see any sort of high intense white activity coming in. Other than that, on hour 7, December 6th, we had that little poop come in. That was definitely from probably an M class solar flare. That was definitely not um, snow activity or anything like that, weather, which also has a massive impact, obviously, Russia weather and whatnot. Um, so yeah, so overall, of course, not seeing too much, but anything could change. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Um, yeah, the Schumann's not it's not active. The Italian Schumann resonance was active and very odd for a long time. Now it's been calming down, so not much going on anywhere else. Overall, of course, um, yeah, definitely not too much going on, but we will have to. I'll keep you guys updated. Super thankful and grateful for everyone who's been watching the streams and whatnot and supporting. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated. And thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to watch the videos as well. We got a lot of videos as well on this channel. Um, whether it's old Schumann resonance data, a December astrological energy forecast, right? All that stuff we got out there. So be sure to watch it. Thank you so much.